everyone, I am Rika Afrianti Purnamasari. I am from majoring in Syariah 2A, which I did to fulfill a course for economics. Here I will explain the economy of three sectors. Three sector of understanding. We are optimistic the rupiah will continue to strengthen to reach 9,100 per dollar. He said corporation, households, and government in all three sector economy. Three has not been an export and import activity, hence the so-called closed economy. The role of government in the three sector economy. In its role as a regular government have the role of controlling the economy by controlling the policy in the economy, that is, fiscal policy, monetary policy, and international trade policy. The mixing of governments in an economy will result in significant change, which from the tax. Tax taken by the governments will minimize aggregate spending, so tax revenues will affect aggregate spending. The role of governments in the three-sector economy is enormous to increase the balance of national revenues. Hopefully, then, it can minimize economic inequality and public welfare can increase. Understanding APBN. He said the rupiah was expected to continue to strengthen to reach 9,100 per dollar, containing a systematic and detailed list of state receipts and expenditure for a year's budget from January 1 to December 31. The APBN were designed by the government and were approved by the parliament. APBN function. Number 1, allocation function. Number 2, distribution function. Number 3, stabilizing function. Number 4, the function of authority. Number 5, planning function. Number 6, regulation function. Economic income circulation of three sectors. Can you take a look at this little video here? State government involvement in economic activities. In the economy, the receipt plies the consumer and producer. In support of production activities, government costs money. Costs are derived from the ATP and the ETICA in the form of taxes. The ATP pays taxes on the work done. The ETICA also submitted taxes on the consumption activities it performed. Taxes received by governments pay for the state's regular spending. I improve the manufacturing facilities and profit subsidies and grants to ETICA and ATP. Three-sector economic balance. In the world economy, the government sector is included in the national income balance analysis. Thus, the economy of three sectors consists of domestic, business, private sector, and government sector. Any sector of government is going to raise government spending on the expense and the tax on the income side. Taxes imposed by the governments will reduce the level of revenues ready to be deposited. Ready revenues are reduced by taxes. Cannot disposable revenue. The young tax type run by the government can be classified into four kinds. Number 1, regression taxes. Number 2, progressive tax. Number 3, proportional tax. Number 4, fixed taxes. A balance of national income will be achieved when aggregate efforts are equal to aggregate demand. In an economy that does not divergent trade aggregate offerings equals nation income, which is equal to the value of goods and services produced in the economy during a particular period. Aggregate demand of expenditures are carried out by various individuals in the economy. The formula looks just like the one below. Corporate sector activities to produce goods and services will bring revenue streams to the home sector. Wages, rent, interest and profits. And this flow is equivalent to national income. Away, the revenues will be used for the threefold purpose of financing consumption, C, to B, S, and pay taxes, T. As the flow of income in a three-sector economy applies the following equation. The formula looks just like the one below. In the economy of three-sector, I and G are lexit of income, circulation wheels, and two are injection. Thus, in the balance of the three-sector economy, 3 is also a leak, so it is concludes that in a three-sector economy that achieving balance will be valid. In an outline, the kinds of taxes that governments make are distinguished between the two classes of direct and indirect taxes. Number 1. Direct taxes. Number 2. Indirect taxes. Government spending. Taxes the government picks are used to pay for government expenses such as administration of state, education and public health, military expenditure and financing infrastructures. However, the rupiah still had a chance to strengthen to Rp 9,100 per dollar. His side factors in government spending are such as tax rate, short-term economic goals, and long-term economic goals. Government spending is shown by a constant function invested by income so that when described it is a curve in government spending.